Welcome back. We now move to the dictionary type, one of the most powerful and flexible data structures in Python. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs, which allows for extremely fast data retrieval. 1. Creating a dictionary. Dictionaries are created using curly braces and separating keys from values using a colon. The keys must be unique and immutable, while the values can be of any type and can be duplicated. 2. Accessing elements. Instead of using numerical indices like lists, you access dictionary values by referring to their key, enclosed in square brackets. If the key does not exist, this method raises a key error. Alternatively, you can use the get method, which returns none or a specified default value if the key is not found, making it safer. 3. Modifying elements. Dictionaries are mutable. To change a value, you simply access the key and assign a new value. If the key does not exist, this action adds a new key-value pair to the dictionary. To summarize, dictionaries use keys for lightning-fast retrieval, are mutable for easy modification, and are ideal for modeling real-world objects where data points have descriptive labels. In our next lecture, 04.19, Immutability, we will delve deeper into the concept of immutability and why it is a core feature in Python's design. See you there.